most shocking moment of the 2026 Kashuho Singing King came when Riku Nishima performed Shiori Ishikawa classic hit Amagi Goi and claimed the championship title. Although Nishima had demonstrated consistent skill from the early stage of the program, choosing this notoriously difficult song for the final itself was a bold challenge. Amagi Goi demands overwhelming expressive power, a wide vocal range, and a emotionally instant delivery. Even before the broadcast, there was great anticipation about how the youthful Nishama would portray the song heavy dramatic word. The moment the intro began, the atmosphere in the venue completely changed. As the light dimmed and red and purple beams crossed the stage, Nishima quietly gripped the microphone. He began the low note, delicately almost in whisper, gradually building emotional toward the chorus. In particular, during the phrase Anata to Kotai Imagi Go, I want to cross Imagi with you. He delivered a powerful yet sorrowful long note that left the audience in awe. One of the judges instinctively leaned forward, and as soon as he finished singing, the hall erupted into applause, nearly a standing ovation. However, after the winner was announced, mixed reaction quickly surfaced on social media. Many praised him, saying it's incredible that some so young can sing it like that. I got goosebumps at the same time. Some critics commented he has not fully captured the deep passion of Imaki Go and other contents. More adventure arrangement should have been involved more supported of the other finalists, particularly those who performed original arrangement questions the judging criteria, sparking widespread debate online. Even so, Nishima Riku chose to take on the challenge and made the difficult song entirely his own. His course and level of completion were ultimately recognized, earning him the crown of Kashuho 2026, a victory powerful enough to divide opinion that every impact may be the reason this year competition will be remembered for years to come.